Hi everyone, in this video we will explore what digital storytelling is, how it helps English learners and how you can create a storyboard activity using Snow White. You will also get hands-on experience creating your own digital story for classroom use. Digital storytelling is a powerful teaching tool that combines images, text, narration, and sound to create meaningful stories. For English language learners, it builds fluency, boosts confidence, and encourages creativity. Most importantly, it transforms abstract language into something visual and concrete, making learning more engaging and accessible. A storyboard is a visual planning tool that helps students organize their stories step by step. Each panel includes one image, a short sentence, and 1 to 2 key vocabulary words. Storyboarding supports essential language skills such as sequencing, comprehension, and confidence. It also offers speaking practice. Students can add simple dialogue to boost fluency or record a voiceover to improve pronunciation and storytelling. And here's a helpful tip. AI tools like ChatGPT or Sora can generate custom images, helping you stay creative while avoiding copyright issues. Here is one example of digital storytelling. Little Red Riding Hood gets a basket from her mother. She is going to visit her grandma. She walks through the forest. On the path, she meets a big grey wolf. The wolf runs ahead to Grandma's house. He wants to get there first. The wolf wears Grandma's clothes and gets into her bed. Little Red Riding Hood comes inside and is very scared. A woodcutter hears a noise and comes to help. He sees the wolf in Grandma's bed. Little Red Riding Hood, the woodcutter, and Grandma are all safe. They are happy and give the wolf a lesson. Now, pause and create your own storyboard. Follow these simple steps. Let's choose Snow White as our base. Break the story into 6 key scenes and keep it clear and manageable. For each scene or panel, include one image, one simple sentence, and 1 to 2 key vocabulary words. Use any tool that allows you to add images, text, and a voiceover. Great options include Canva, Storyboard That, Google Slides, Pixton, or Book Creator. Links of all the apps are given in the caption below. If you want to take it further, enhance your storyboard by adding short dialogue or recording a voiceover. Export it as an MP4 video to boost speaking and storytelling practice. Finally, scan the QR code or use the link in the caption to upload your storyboard either as an image or video. Do not forget to share your reflection. I hope you enjoyed the activity. Please pause the video here to do the activity.
As mentioned in our video, digital storytelling is a great tool to teach English. In this part, I will focus on vocabulary teaching. Vocabulary is very crucial while learning a new language. Therefore, digital storytelling can be helpful while teaching vocabulary. According to Nami and Asadnia, multimodal input may engage learners with their vocabulary learning. The dual coding theory of cognition supports digital storytelling-based vocabulary learning. Concepts are represented in symbolic mode and in sensory mode. It is also known that processing in 2 ways is better than in a single way. Now, let's move on to our activity, Snow White and vocabulary. Please go to Google Classroom via the QR code or the Classroom code. In Google Classroom, you will find a file with strips from the Fairytales, Snow White, and 7 Dwarfs. Please download the file and try to fill in the blanks with correct vocabulary. You do not need to look at the story. Please be creative. This activity is an example of how digital storytelling can be used in classrooms. After you complete the exercises, please upload the file to Google Classroom so we can look and discuss our answers. Please pause the video here to work on the activity. Now, let's move on to the second step. In the second step, please use the QR code provided for you to engage in feedback and discussion. Please pause the video here to do the second step. Have fun!
Let's begin the final activity of our digital storytelling project. In this task, your group will collaboratively rewrite the fairy tale Snow White using the digital tool Book Creator. This platform lets you create an interactive digital book by combining text, images, audio, and video, supporting both creativity and language use. You'll work in small groups of 3 to 5 people. Based on the previous task, your group will decide how to retell the story. Feel free to get creative. You might modernize the setting, change character roles, alter the plot, or invent a new ending. First, plan your version by outlining the key events and divide them into pages or scenes. Then, log into Book Creator using the class code on this slide. Although you're encouraged to plan the entire story, your focus is on creating just the ending in Book Creator. Use the vocabulary you've practiced to write the narration and dialogue. Add images, your own drawings, online copyright-free pictures are those available through Book Creator apps like Canva. To make your book more creative, you can record voice narration, add sound effects or music, or even embed short video clips. Once your ending is done, review your work, check grammar, clarity, story flow, and test all media elements. Finally, prepare a brief summary to present to the class. Introduce your version of Snow White, explain your creative choices, and showcase your digital ending, including any audio or video you've added. Submit your summary using the link on this slide. This QR code will take you to a Padlet I've created for today's task. By the end, you all will have co-created a unique interactive story that shows your teamwork, creativity, and language skill, and you will have learned a new digital tool you can integrate in your own class. Here are our sources. Thank you very much for your attention.